Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing and setup of the Cricut Joy. So this is the newest machine from Cricut. It is small and cute. It says your DIY best friend, and we are going to find out. So I wanted a video for somebody that may need a complete unboxing and setup. So here we go. So this is what the front of the box looks like. We're going to flip it over, and here's the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go open all of these pieces here. So I'm just going to zip around that really quick. All right, so let's take a look inside. We're going to open up the lid here. And as you can see with Cricut's packaging, they've got a nice cushion inside. They always protect their stuff very nice. So let's go ahead and dig inside. So the first thing I see here is a Cricut Joy Package. Every time you purchase a new machine or device from Cricut, they always have a little welcome package. So it says Open Me. We'll open that in just a minute. All right, as I can see right here is the machine. I'm going to go ahead and reach inside and pull that out. It's got some nice weight to it. It's probably around 5 pounds or so. And as you can see, there is a clear packaging around this. They always make sure, like I said, their packaging is very well packaged. We're going to scoot that aside. And if you look down further, we can dig down here and you can see there's a hole here. We can just pull that right out. Down inside, we're going to find our charging cords, just like so. You're also going to find a pen. This is their fine point pen 0.4 in black, and that is it. And like I said, as you can see with their packaging, they make sure it's very well cradled. Their packaging is very nice. I will say that when it comes to Cricut's packaging, they've always done a very nice job. Now here is all of the contents that came inside. So what I want to do is let's open up our machine. So I'm just going to zip through here and open these right up. The color is very pretty. I'm not too sure if the color's coming in. It looks like a dark blue on your screen, but this is actually kind of like an aqua. It's very, very pretty. So, like I said, you can hold it with one hand. It's roughly around 5 pounds or so. So what we're going to do is open the door. This is how we're going to be able to just flip it right open. So you're going to be able to manually open and shut this. We've got a spot here. This is where it's going to show that it's on. That's going to be a little light there. And on the back here, you have a nice smooth surface. This is the slot for your mats or materials to come through. And we have a spot to plug in our device. So let's go ahead and take a look around. Underneath here, it's got your information, Cricut Joy, the model number, and all of that. On the front here, this is kind of popped out here. So this is a really nice design here. Like I said, it's got texture. You can feel it. I'm going to bring it up and see if you guys can see that. So it's got some dimension to it. As for the machine itself, when I first seen people opening these, I thought they had like a matte feel, almost like a velvet, but it's actually like a plastic, but it's got a little bit of texture to it. They're very, very nice. All right, so there's that. Let's go ahead and open the front of this. And inside, I'm noticing a piece of foam here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that out right away. And then I'm noticing a piece of plastic. I'm going to go ahead and grab that and peel that right up. Inside, I can see your slots here where your mat's going to be able to feed right underneath these pieces, your wheels. We've got a nice little housing and pin. So let's test out the door here. Very nice, smooth opening and shut. And then for our housing, this is what it looks like. And you're going to have that same push as you did with the bigger machines. So there is that. And then inside you can see like the roller bars, just like so. So just a nice basic machine. Let's see what it can do. First things first, let's connect our cord. You're going to see 2 pieces here. You need to connect this piece right inside here until you hear like a little pop sound. And then we're going to undo these little, what I call bread ties here. You want to do the same with this side. Now there is plastic on your cord that you're going to want to pull off as well. Just like so. We're going to plug this into an outlet. Let's go ahead and shut our door, flip this over, and let's plug this in right into the back here until you hear a little click. You could hear the machine come on, and then you can see this light right here. So it lit up. You can see it's kind of doing its thing, flash in there. Set it down, and I'm going to go ahead and open this back up. Let's go ahead and open our pin. Go ahead and open up our envelope and just get that open. And here we go. So it says, let's get started. We got a blue paper here. We have some Cricut Premium Smart Vinyl. You have your cute little Cricut Joy mat. Let's go ahead and open that up. It comes with a standard green mat. This is 4x6. And then you have your warranty statement and important safety instructions. So here is our test materials. We're going to set those aside. So let's go ahead and open where it says, let's get started. It says, go to Cricut.com/setup. We'll walk you through every step. Then it says, number 2, use these during setup. We have the Smart Vinyl sample and your blade. The blade is already installed. It cuts intricate shapes with ease. And then step number 3, now go to Cricut.com/create. You'll learn how to use these items and more. So it shows adhesive mat, deluxe paper sampler, and fine point pen. Today I'm going to be using my phone, which is an iPhone, to show you how to set this up and cut our first project. Let's go. Jumping right into Cricut Design Space, we're going to click the Cricut Design Space app. We're going to click Machine Setup. Then we're going to choose our machine. Today we're setting up the Cricut Joy. I'm going to click that. And then it's going to prompt you to create a user ID or sign in. I already have one, so I'm going to click sign in. I'm going to enter my information and hit sign in. It says updated privacy policy. We've updated our privacy policy, so I'm going to go ahead and hit accept. And then it says get connected. Plug in Joy and power on. We have done that. It says make sure that a Bluetooth on your device is turned on. So make sure the Bluetooth on your laptop or phone or iPad is turned on. To do so, simply, all you're going to need to do is go to settings. We're going to go to Bluetooth, and ours is turned on. You're going to see Joy pop up. Yours may be named something different, but mine is Joy DC. I'm going to click it. Now you can see it says connected. You see that it popped up. It says you are paired. Tap here to continue. So I'm going to click there. Machine updates. Let's make sure you've got the latest and greatest features. Let's click update. Now you can see it saying updating 1 of 2. Do not disconnect from your machine. Make sure you keep it powered on at this point. It is currently rebooting the machine. You can hear the wheels turning here. Let's make sure you've got the latest and greatest features. All right, so now it says reconnect. We're going to click reconnect. It says do not disconnect from your machine. Updating 2 of 2. It says success. Your machine is up to date. Hit continue. We will register your Cricut Joy at your email address. And then we're going to click here where it says by registering your machine, you agree to Cricut's terms. Hit register. It says you're all set up. Your Joy is registered and set up. Hit continue. At this point, it's going to ask you if you want to sign up for the Cricut Access Plan. You can either set me up now or maybe later. I will click maybe later because I already have this. This is pretty neat. This is the first time that Cricut has let us choose what we wanted to test cut. Let's test a cut. Select an image to get started. So you have the crown, lips, sunflower, mountains, a bear, or a football. I think I'm going to do the mountains. I'm going to hit next. You can also skip this at this point. Step 1, confirm the blade is set in place with the clamp closed. So all you need to do is just make sure simply that your blade and its housing is down inside and it's closed. All right, then you can see over here on the screen, we're going to slide over. When there's more than one dot, you know that you can slide back and forth. Step 2, insert Smart Vinyl under the guides and up against the rollers to auto feed. Here we go. So it's telling us to grab our Smart Vinyl, which is right here. You can see that it's got these white strips here, and that's what's going to go under. So what we need to do is have this go underneath these pieces here, and then we're going to tuck it up against the rolls here. You can see when I touch that with my finger, it's going to grab it. So it's searching. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this up until we get to the rolls, and now it's grabbed it. And we're ready to go. Now it says start cut. We're going to hit go. At this point, if you need to, you can unload. But we're ready, so we're going to hit go. Cut in progress. Test cut complete. We're going to hit unload. We can grab this. That's it. Remove the cut image from the backer. Keep learning at Cricut.com. So you can simply peel your image. All right, so we're going to go ahead and remove this. Just like so. Now this is a canvas that's not open, but just to kind of demo this, so we can simply stick it right down. How cute is that for a test cut? So that was using their smart vinyl. So I'm going to hit done and we're ready to go. So I want to test out our pen and this deluxe paper. So what I want to do is hit new project. And then I'm going to go to images. I'm just going to take a basic image. So let's go ahead and do this sunflower here. I'm going to hit insert. I can select that here and I can size it right here. I'm just going to simply do about, I'm just going to have it less than 4 inches. At this point, click your image, hit edit. We're going to click line type. I'm going to change that to draw. And we are using the fine point pen in 0.4. So what we're going to do is click this one here because it says fine point 0.4 and we have black, apply. Now what we're going to do is hit make it. We're going to click on the mat and we're ready to go. So what we need to do is load our material. Then I'm going to take my Cricut pen, open up the housing, remove the blade housing, insert the pen, and it just sets right on top. Close. Continue. I'm going to go to browse all material and type in deluxe. And then we're going to load our black pen like we've already done, and then load the material like so. So as you put it underneath these pieces here and touch the wheels, it's just going to suck it right inside. All right, so it's ready to go. So on the screen here, we're going to hit go. It says preparing. And she's already drawing. So there you have it. We're going to hit unload. There you have it. How amazing is that? So cool. Let's go ahead and remove this from the mat. We're going to do just like we usually do with our bigger machine, bigger mats. We're going to flip it upside down and remove it just like so. That's going to help it from bending. And there you have it. How cute is that? Now this is not the sticker paper. I thought this was going to be their deluxe sticker paper, but it is not. but it does a really amazing job. So that is using their pen as well as their blade, so you can see how that kind of works. I'm gonna go ahead and open up our pen here, pop that back down in there, and let's go ahead and pop our housing back inside. Shut the door, shut the lid. All right, so let's go ahead and replace the cover back on our mat, just like that. And there you have it, just like that. It's so easy to unbox it, set it up, and start cutting. I hope you guys get out there and get yourselves a little joy. This is going to be great to have at home as well as on the go. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.